I have found no reason why I should not sentence Mr. Okello with the maximum sentence.
N'olw'ensonga ezo waggulu sirina kyenzudde kiŋŋaana kuwa Okello ekibonerezo ekisingayo obunene.
I hereby sentence him to suffer death for the murder of Eteku Gideon in count 1, Keisha Agenroth Otim in count 2, Seryange Ignatius in count 3, and Odekereyan in count 4 in a manner authorized by law.
N'olw'ensonga eyo nsindika Okello Christopher Nnyo ku kibonerezo ekyakalabba olw'okutta abaana bano. Omusango ogusooka Oteku, owokubiri Keisha, omusango ogwokusatu Seryange Ignatius ne Odeke mu ngeri eragirwa mu mateeka.
And Mr. Okello, you have a right of appeal. You have a right of appeal against the conviction of this court, both the conviction and the sentence. This you should do within 14 days from today, and that is the order of the court.
Ekyo ekiragiro kya kkooti.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.